Hey everyone, Crash from Crash Customs in Lake Havasu, Arizona. I got a personal project that I've been working on. I'd like to show you guys. I get guys coming into the shop saying how cool it is to see stuff in progress. So this is a full-length center console I built for my 87 dually Chevy. The truck was done in '07, and this is just a huge upgrade. This part here wraps up over the bottom of the rear seat. Little rear glove box. These Lexan pieces will light up with hidden LEDs. Along with this, that'll light up. And this little switch panel here and around the switches will light up. Fully programmable LEDs. Asymmetrical design. Stacked fab construction on a lot of pieces. Get those curves. I got a little video showing me doing that on the router table. This part here curves up and meets to the bottom of the dash. This round oval tube will be painted black with flames to match the truck. The rest of the console will get wrapped in black suede and black vinyl. I do like exposed hardware if it's cool hardware, like Torx heads or Allen heads. And I'll also use these on lower door panels when those get bolted on. And I'll show you those too. Air ride gauges. Fuel tank left right switch, some other switches, turn compressors on, and these switches will do something pretty cool too that I'll show you later, maybe on the next video. This stepped foam will get obviously wrapped, but it just adds a little more contrast, contour, body lines to the side of the center console. All these pieces were made here. And then the door panels I took out. Truck is obviously black with flames inside and out. And these painted pieces were done in '07 when I painted the truck. But I added these lower ones. Lexan will also light up with LEDs, fully programmable. So we got that piece. It's a 3-piece setup. The base, and a channel for the LED strips. All get screwed together from the back side. These mounting holes will have the Torx head hardware like the center console. Each panel is slightly different. The bottom lines flow with the bottom lines of the door panel, and the top line echoes the flames. And each one is different because the flames are different on each panel. These pieces were made on the router table and out of an MDF board that I primed and painted. Top one is obviously shiny black, and the bottom is satin black. Contrast plus the satin black paint looks good up against the black suede. That's the center console that was in it. Just a factory, I think it was like a 94 Chevy dually that we wrapped to match the rest of the interior. Nice center console, but not as custom as this one. So let me set this in the truck and you can see how it meets the dash, how the seats flow, and then the back seat flows. Let's roll it over there. Alright, there's the dually. Like I said, I painted this in 07. There's a lot of custom body mods I could go into later. But let's put this center console in. Oh, whoa, yeah, suicide doors. All right, well, I'm pretty stoked about this. This is the first time I've had it in since it's been fully assembled, naked, ready to be wrapped, and I'm really digging it. So come check it out. Meets bottom of the dash. Actually covers up the ashtray door and where the fuel tank switch was. Once this gets all wrapped, it's going to be super clean looking. This mesh and the panel here, center of the switches, and probably the cup holders and the rings for the gauges are going to get painted this kind of like a metallic dark gray color. That's the gauge cluster, steering wheel, and it matches the amp. Oh yeah, I got an amp and speakers in the ceiling. As you can see how the rear part flows up over the base of the rear seat. Flows real nice with the existing interior. And obviously that's the black suede and the black vinyl. Got some red stitching in it. I might throw some red stitching on the center console too to tie it all together. Kind of make it look like it was all done at the same time. Flame the dash. Like I said, this tube will get black with flames. This is pretty neat how I came about getting this. Nice oval tube with a slight curve. It's actually a upright brace for a treadmill machine that broke, and I was like, those tubes are cool, I'm going to use them for something. And that was years ago that I've been saving it, and I really like it, really like it. Let me show you from the other side with the driver's seat in. So this lit piece flows with the seat. I got that seat laid back. I'm 6'2", got it nice and low. Used I think it was 60s Camaro seat tracks, and the seats are like 95 or so Chevy dually. front and rear. Yeah, I do like it. All the controls are accessible to me, and that's all that matters because I'm driving. Ha. Yeah. All right. Pretty stoked about finishing this up. Personal projects seem to take forever. Working on customer cars all the time. So we're at a good point. Good point. Ready to make it look pretty now. So you guys got to see my center console naked. And if you're interested in videos on how to make center consoles, let me know in the comments. I have several lined up for customer vehicles, all different like stages and intricacies of center consoles. This one's pretty involved. I got some other stuff on here that I'll show you when it's done. I do like doing them. All right. Well, time to get back to work and get this done. I am pretty stoked about it, so let me know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Like it, comment, subscribe. That'd be great. I'd appreciate it. And we'll keep going. Thanks, everyone.
Please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you, we really do appreciate it.